Okay student, let us start with divisibility rule. So before applying divisibility rule, what divisibility rules are, what are the uses of it, benefits of it. Divisibility rules help us to identify any number to be divided by a given number, or it makes the clarity that can be divided the given number by the numbers which are given as factors, which are given as divisor. So instead of applying a longer method of dividing and then analyzing that remainder is coming as 0, so here we'll be identifying yes it is a divisible, but when remainder is left over then we'll be identifying it is not divisible completely. So instead of applying big method, let us come to the shorter trick of the tables. All the tables are having some shortcuts, so if you apply the shortcut method without dividing the number, you will be able to identify yes the given number is divisible by the number 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let us start with our rules. So divisibility rules, let us learn the following divisibility rules. So first rule is a number is divisible by 2. If you want to know that any number is divisible by 2, what is the shortest way? If the digit in its ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, you have to identify only the ones place number. Ones place digit you have to identify. If your ones place number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, from all this digit, any one digit if you find it, it means the whole number is divisible by, that is 2. Means you can divide the given number completely by 2. So this is one of the rule related to 2. Try to learn all the rules properly so that you will be able to apply the concept. Second number, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is a multiple of 3. Now 3 will be having different rule compared to 2. Here it says that whenever you want to divide any number by 3, before dividing you check that if you find the sum of all the digits. Try to find the sum of all the digits. Means if it is a 4-digit number, you break the 4-digit number by inserting plus sign and try to find the sum. If you find the sum is coming as 12 or 9 or 15 or 18 or 30, it means the given number is divisible by 3. Means always the sum of the digit must be a multiple of 3. Whatever the sum you are getting, that number must occur in the table of 3. If it occurs in the table of 3 means the given number will be completely divisible by 3. This is the rule of 3, different from 2. Let us move to next rule. A number is divisible by 4. Now 4 is also having some different rule. 4 says that if the number formed by its last 2 digit is divisible by 4, it means you have to see the last 2 digit. Last 2 digit will be considered as tens place and ones place. Tens place and ones place will be forming a 2-digit number. So you have to check that your last 2-digit numbers are divisible by 4 or not. Last 2 numbers comes in the table of 4 or not. If the last 2 numbers are divisible by 4 or it comes in the table of 4, it means the whole number is also divisible by 4. This is the meaning of that is divisibility by 4. We'll be seeing all the examples later on. Let us come to the next rule. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit in its ones place is 0 or 5. It's very simple rule. You have to only check the ones place number. If you find ones place number as 0 or 5, any one number must be there, either 0 or either 5. If you find any of the number in the last, that is ones place, then the whole number is divisible by 5. But if you find instead of 0 and 5 as 1, 3 or 4 or 7 or 9, then the given number will not be completely divisible by 5, but some remainder will be left, so not divisible. But when last number is 0 or 5, yes, remainder will be 0, so yes, it is divisible. So this is the meaning of divisibility rule of 5. Now comes a number is divisible by 9. Now how to identify 9? 9 is having the same concept as we have learned the concept of table 3. 3 is the younger, you consider 3 table as the younger brother and 9 as the elder brother. So this way you will be having the similarity. Rule is same, only the difference is one is elder and one is younger. Only this is the difference you will be having. So younger will be having different type of relation and the elder will be having different type of relation, but the process is same. Here also we have calculated sum of the digit. In 9 also we will be having the sum of the digit. Only what is the change is a multiple of 3. Younger will be having multiples of 3 and elder will be having multiple of 9. Here you have to identify when you find the sum of all the digit, you must have the total as the number which occurs in the table of 9. 9 के टेबल में जो भी नंबर आता है अगर आपका सम वो वैल्यू को क्रिएट करता मतलब पूरा का पूरा नंबर 9 के डिविजिबल है. अगर आपने 3 के रूल में सम को कैलकुलेट करा और आपका नंबर का ग्रैंड टोटल आता है 9 या 3 या 12 या 18, इसका मतलब वो नंबर 3 के टेबल से कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल होगा. और 9 के केस में अगर आपका ग्रैंड टोटल आता है दैट इज 45, 54, 18, 90, 90, 81, इसका मतलब क्या होता है ये सब नंबर 9 के टेबल में आते हैं. 9 के मल्टीपल्स है तो पूरा का पूरा नंबर 9 से डायरेक्टली डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. So this way divisibility of 9 will be helping us. Next comes a number is divisible by 10. 10 का रूल तो सबसे सरल है, आपको सिर्फ लास्ट में वंस प्लेस पर जाकर देखना होगा कि 0 वाला डिजिट है या नहीं है. अगर 0 डिजिट हो गया मतलब वो 5 से भी डिवाइड हो गया और 10 से भी डिवाइड हो गया. 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको 2 बार डिवीजन का वर्क करना होगा और 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो डायरेक्टली आपका एक ही अटैक में डिवीजन का वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सो अप्लाई द कंसेप्ट एज पर द कंडीशन. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit in its one place is 0. So this way we will be having the concept of 10. Now comes divisibility of 11. It is a slight different rule from all the rules which we have learned. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना है. Please listen it properly. What it says. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the alternate digit of the number is 0 or 11. 11 का रूल ये बोलता है कि अगर आपके पास में 4 डिजिट का नंबर है तो पहले तो आप उसकी नंबरिंग कर लीजिए 1 2 3 4. पहले आप अल्टरनेट नंबर्स का सम निकालिए. अल्टरनेट नंबर्स में आपके पास सीरीज होगी इवन्स की और ऑड्स की. जैसे आपने नंबरिंग कर दिया 1 2 3 4 तो 1 प्लेस और 3 प्लेस पर कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है उनको ऐड करें. 2 प्लेस और 4 प्लेस पर कौन सा डिजिट आ रहा है उनको ऐड करें. बड़े नंबर में से छोटे नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. सब्ट्रैक्शन करने पर अगर आपका आंसर 0 आता है तो पूरा का पूरा नंबर 11 से डिवाइड होगा. या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर 11 या 22 या 33 या 44 जो 11 का मल्टीपल है अगर वो डिफरेंस आता है तब भी पूरा नंबर 11 से डिवाइड होगा.